Imagine this scenario. You talk with the voice skill and you instantly hear the restaurant. You can hear the diners and the kitchen and all the things happening. You're not in the kitchen, you're in the dining area. And you make your order. You say, I want a Hawaiian pizza. So the skill moves you into the kitchen where they're preparing your pizza. You hear that. You say, I want more pineapple. You hear them chopping the pineapple. You get that feedback. And they're working on your pizza. You can hear everything that's happening. And then you say, I don't want to add anything else to my pizza. And you hear it being slid into the oven. The feedback that your pizza is being cooked. So, nothing more to happen. The skill stops. Then later on, you're like, my pizza's taking a long time. Where is it? You ask the skill. And you can either hear it being cooked in that glorious stone oven that they have, so you know that it's still at the restaurant, or you hear a moped and you know, hey, it's being delivered, it's coming. That's just one way to use sound to enhance a skill. We have audio, let's use it. These sounds are authentic and exciting. They come from that sound world. They evoke the craftsmanship of the chefs as they're chopping the food, as they're sliding it into the big stone oven, the atmosphere of that scenario. It takes us closer to the feel of the brand, what it's like to go through the pizza making journey with them, all of that delicious stuff that's happening that's making you get hungry. What do they do that makes their pizzas so unique and delicious? I want to hear that. I want to be with them as they're making that because it takes me closer to them. It gets me excited. And also, it provides wonderful feedback that's engaging without the use of words. All of this can happen behind words. So you're getting this feedback at the same time. And when you've heard the stone oven crackling once, you learn that's the sound when your pizza's being cooked. So if you hear that sound again, you don't have to have the words from the voice assistant saying, your pizza is currently being cooked. You just hear the oven and you know. If you don't know, you say, hey, what does that mean? And they say, your pizza's being cooked.